Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add empty bullet point in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the Google file and select a location on the file. Then press tab on your keyboard and press enter. Again press tab on your keyboard and press enter on your keyboard. Again press tab and press enter. Now select the location and go to the bullet list and click bullet list. And select the bullet and increase the size. Now here we can see empty bullet point in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.